today we are starting with LinkedIn marketing. So, in this session, we'll be seeing what is LinkedIn and how we should use LinkedIn. So, that is one of the best thing that we should use because it's a professional network. And why we should use LinkedIn? Because, see, I mean, LinkedIn is a very professional network. It is used for B2B and B2C networks wherein you can connect with lots of people on LinkedIn. And as of date, if we see the number of users, registered users on LinkedIn, then it's more than 740 million users in more than 200 countries. So that is a very good reason wherein we should be on LinkedIn, especially when we want to connect with them professionally. So that's the most important thing. Now, when it comes to LinkedIn, what are the things that we should know? I mean, what are the things we should be doing over here? Now, first of all, say when we are creating a LinkedIn, whether it's for individual or for a company, in that case, we should have a very strong profile. Say, in that case, we should first of all have our, say, a profile which indicates each and everything. So like I hope you are able to see my screen. So over here you
Yes, sir.
can see, yeah, so you can see on my screen, you can see my profile over here. This is an individual profile wherein say I have a small banner which clearly indicates what exactly I am into. So over here it clearly states that digital marketing corporate trainer. So a person will get to know that okay, this person is into training. And then say email address is provided, website URL is provided, phone numbers are provided, company logo is also provided. So I mean, this all things will build trust. And then your profile photo should also be over here. So like this you need to create a profile, and then some information about yourself. You get some few characters over here wherein you can add something about yourself. So this will help people to understand in detail that what exactly you do. So this is one of them. Now, understanding that what are the features LinkedIn is providing us when we create an account. So first of all, whenever we create an account, we get a public profile URL. So this is the URL that we should set over here. Say like in my case, it is linkedin.com/in and then slash my first name and last name. So this is what we should use. So it should always be your name. So either it can be first name, last name, or else last name, first name, or else first name dot last name, like this. I have seen people using numbers over here. Say like in the, if the name is not available, then they might use say like Hitesh 5673 or 2345 or something 89 or 83, something like that they use. But that is not professional because it's a bit difficult to remember those numbers when it comes to a handle of any social media profile. So you should always make sure, if your full name is not available, try to use initial, try to reverse the first names and last name, and then create a perfect profile URL. So in most cases you might get the URL, profile URL over here. So that is our identity. So if I provide my URL over here, then it's very easy for people to search. So this is the reason we should use a proper profile URL that is called as handle. So this handle should be in a proper format. After that, over here, what else we have? So first of all, let us go through the menu of this LinkedIn, and then let's see what this all offers. So first of all, we have home over here. So in home, we can see everything about ourselves. Then we can see different sections. We can see, I can also add my website also over here. When people will click, it will take them to my website over here. So like this, we can have a lot of things to be done. Then we can also get to see the followers, then how many connections do I have, if I'm open to work, or say if I'm hiring, I can add those section over here. Then I can add a profile section, I can add a lead generator, I can add resources over here, and then if there is any suggestions for me, then even that I can add. So in that case, I can add some case studies to showcase my skills. So in case say recently I completed one of the training at one of the college in Navi Mumbai. So in that case, I can add that project over here that trained 90 students of so and so college, and I can add some photographs. So people will get to know that okay, these are the case studies. So I mean that is your profile which shows that okay, yes, you are into all these things. So like this, I can add my skills over here. And then there is some analytics which is only private to you. So I mean only I can see, other people cannot see. Say like how many profile views I got this week, then how many post impressions I got. So post impression is basically, see, like we write blogs in a website, right? So we create WordPress blogs or any other website, we write blogs. So over here also we have a facility wherein LinkedIn allows you to write articles. So we can write blogs over here like a website. So that is good. So people will connect with us. So that is one of the things. So this is in past 7 days. And then how many times did I appear in search appearances? So that is what I can see. 34 search appearances. So this is what I can see. And when I click on show all analytics, at that time it will show all the details, like say how many followers I have, how many post impression, profile views, search appearance, and then actions taken by people over here, how many comments did I get, then how many people, say like what are the other tools that are available to me, say like LinkedIn live is available, then newsletters is available, follow link is available. So like this, I have different features that are available. So with this, I can go live on LinkedIn, I can have newsletters. So like a website, I can also build my subscribers base in LinkedIn. So like in email marketing, we were talking about building our subscription base, our say list we need to build so that we can send them emails. Over here we can invite people to subscribe to our newsletters so that we can send them weekly newsletters or monthly newsletters, whatever we are sending. So that feature is available, and then a follow link is also available so that people can follow us. So we get to know that okay, how many people are following us. So this is the basic thing that we get over here. After that, the next thing over here, the next section is about us section. Now this about us section is very important because this will describe what exactly we do. Say for example over here, now say I've written everything about myself, what I do, and what are the trainings I have taken and to whom I have delivered, say like corporates, then institution, colleges, universities, business schools, and then training for banks over here. What are the awards and recognitions, expertise, all these things I have mentioned over here. So this will tell the person that what exactly I am into, what type of trainings I have taken, and at which locations I have delivered these trainings. So that will build a good reputation about ourselves. So for that reason, we should never say ignore the about us content, because from this is the place where people will get to know more about us. So about us section is very important. You can write as much detail that you can. So this is one of the best thing that you can add. And then of course you can add the top skills over here. What are the skills that you have that you can add? So this is people will get to know that what are the skills that you have. See over here, I have added various skills, and you can see these are all the skills that are added. And you can also get endorsement for this. Now see why in today's date people, I mean interviewers, the companies are asking for a LinkedIn profile. See, I mean people can also ask for a CV. I mean that people will ask for by default, but that is a normal thing. But apart from your CV, people will also ask for your LinkedIn profile, because see, I mean if you submit a CV, then they will get to know that okay, you know all these things and you have done all these things, but there is no proof. So but from LinkedIn, if you provide a LinkedIn profile, from there you will get to see that they will get to know that what skills you have added and how many people have endorsed you. So that is the most important part, because the endorsement is very important. Over there people are telling LinkedIn that okay, this person knows this technology, this person knows this technology. So I mean, if there are 10 people telling that okay, I know digital marketing, or say 50 people telling that I know social media marketing, or 100 people telling that okay, I know WordPress, by looking at all these for different skills, if I get endorsement, then interviewer will be satisfied that yes, this person really knows these all technologies. That is the reason LinkedIn profile is very important nowadays, because it's a social proof of what you are doing and what skills you have. So top skill is something that we should not miss out on. Then we have services. So in that case, in case if you are providing services, then you can add all the services. So now when we talk about a service page, at that time we have a separate service page for LinkedIn. So this is over here, you can see Hitesh Chatralia services. So over here, this is a special page which is having a separate URL. You can see this is linkedin.com/services/page and the ID of the page. And previously it was linkedin.com/in and then my handle. So that is what we could see over there. Now over here, I can add as many services I provide. So over here, I've added something about myself. I've added my location, pricing. Over there, I have mentioned contact for pricing. And what are the service provided? So over here, I have mentioned digital marketing, training, and corporate training. These are the things that I've added. And then I've added the company. So this is the place where I work. So I can add whatever I want to add over here, and then some images over here. What are the courses that I have, so that I can use over here. So that is the services that I provide over here. So this is the services page where I can add any number of services that I want. So okay, so I go back to the home page. Okay, so that is my page over here. That is my profile. Yes. Yes. So that is my services over here. I can add all the services. After that, say this is featured. So in featured, you can add all the articles that we are talking about. See, I told that you can write blogs on LinkedIn. So if I click on this, say like I will click on this, then it will over here it will take me to a page where I have written that blog, and with some content and images whatever I have written. So see, you can see there is an image. So in WordPress we were using featured image for a blog, so this is the featured image I have added. This is the title that we can see, and then this is the content. Now in this if I want to write the whole blog, I can write a whole blog, or else what I can do is I can use a strategy wherein I can write something, and once it interests people, I will stop and then I will click over here, and then I will link it to my blog page on my website. So when I click on this view button, it will take people to my website on the same blog. So I can provide the URL of that blog over here. So you can see this video SEO. So now this is on my website where people can read the whole blog. So over there, I had just given a small summary, a glimpse or excerpt that I have added over here, and then people can read the whole blog on my website. So that is what I can do. So this is the place where I can add all the things. Now, in when I talk about this content, it is not just that I can add my website, say blog over here. I can add a video from my YouTube URL also. Say like I click on this link 21 days. So it will take to the page where it will show something, some information about that particular content that I have written. So over here you can see what is the content that I have written, and then I have clicked, I can see the button, view button, and now once I click on that view button, it will take to YouTube channel on the same video. So you can see I can also get a free view when people will click on that. I will get a view on my YouTube channel. So I mean, this is a good method wherein you can get views on your YouTube channel on your videos. So this is over here. So that is what I can do. So people will get to know about me. So this is one of the thing that I can do. And so basically I can add any URL. So it's not just that I can add only my website or YouTube. I can add any URL of any social media. I can add Facebook, I can add Instagram, whatever URL I want, I can add over here. So this is what we can do over here. So this is the featured item. So this is the place where I can add the content. I can add the blogs over here so that people will come and read over here. And if people like to read this, then they will also subscribe for my newsletters. So that is a very good thing wherein we can build our subscriber base as well. After that, the next section is activity sections. So activity section is nothing but say all the activities, say like what are the posts, comments, videos and images I have posted. So I can also create a post from here. So you can see this button, create a post. So I can create a post from here. So over here you can see the last post that I have added over here. So this is also, you can see this is another content that I have added. So when people will click, it will take to that particular URL. So these are the post, and then people can like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever they want they can do. So this is what I can do. And then after that, the next section is about experience. So I can add all the companies where I have worked, my experience, the what I was working as. So I can add everything about my experience. So this is a complete job profile about my experience of all these years. So that is what I can add. And after that, my education, I can add over here what are the things that I have done and all those things. And then if you are adding some volunteering, so if you are doing some volunteering, so then you can add that as well. And then this is the skills that we were talking about. You need to add the skills. So you can see show all 100 skills. So over here I have added all the skills, so people will get to know what are the skills that I have. And then we can also see the endorsement also that people have given. So that also we can see in this. When we click on that, we get to see in detail for all the skills that I have added over here. So like this, we need to keep on adding the skills. And over here you can see there are 20 endorsement for web application, 19 endorsement for e-commerce, 18 endorsements for HTML, social media marketing, 10 endorsements, web development, 8 endorsements, SCM, that is search engine marketing, that is Google Ads. So 7 endorsements, search engine optimization, 7 endorsements, vendor management, 3 endorsement, PPC, 2 endorsement. Like this, there are various skills that I have added over here, and people have endorsed me for that. So you can see all the skills that I have added, the technologies I have added, the languages that I have added, I mean the tools that I have added. I can see, you can see I have added all these things, and I have got endorsement for almost all of them. So you can see this. So this is what we can keep on adding over here. So it's best thing that you can add your skills, so companies will get to know that okay, these are the skills that you know. So that is one of the best thing that you can do. You can add your skills. So adding skill is very important. So that is one of the thing. After that, the next thing is recommendation. So in case if I have received or given any recommendations, then that I can see over here. In case if I have given any recommendations, so then in that case you can see over here I had given one recommendation over here. So to a senior person in a company where I was working. So I mean like this, I have given us a recommendation. So like if we want, we can also ask for recommendations, so people can give us recommendation. And if there are any publications which you have published, so in that case you can add all the publications over here. I mean you can add those articles over here. So you can just click on this plus icon, and then you can add over here what is the title, who is the publisher or publication house, what is the publication date, who is the author over here, and then you can provide the publication URL and the description over here. So that is what we can do. So I mean, I can just add something from my website. Maybe I can just go to the blog section on my website. So and maybe copy a URL from my website, and then maybe I can just add that into publication. So say let me just see that, okay, if I use this one, so I can just copy this URL over here. Okay, it's opening. Okay, so let's see. One second, it's loading. Okay, there could be some technical problem over here. I'm not sure because just now the website was open. Yes, now it's open. Yes. So yes, this is the link. So now it would open. So I can just copy that and I can add it over here. So title, I can provide what was the title, quality backlinks, a comprehensive guide. So I can provide, and then publisher. So I can add a publisher also. So in that case, I can add my say website's your name. Then publication date, so that I can add over here. I'm not sure what date it was. So let's see, it was 22nd February. Okay, so that I can add 22nd February. Okay, and then add an author. Then publication URL, so that URL I can paste it over here, and then I can provide some description. So in that case, maybe I can just copy some summary over here, and that I can paste it over here, and then I can click on save if I want to add something more, because I have 2000 characters and we have added only 534. So if I want more, then in that case you can add that more also. Mm, let's see if this fits. Okay, this is exceeding, so I cannot use more. Okay, so this is it, and then I click on save. So now that will get added over here. You can see this quality backlinks, a comprehensive guide. So Helpopedia EduTech over here, February 22nd, 2025. And then once people will click on this link, say it will go to my website on the same page. So that is what happens over here. So like this, I can add publications also in my case. So this is it. Then what are the courses that I have done? I mean, engineering, that all things I can add over here. Schooling I can add over here. Then if there are any honors and awards that I can add over here. So that all things I can add. Then languages. So I have added 4 languages that I speak, talk, write. So that all things I can add over here. And then organizations. So this is the organization. So if you have any organization, then you can add it over here as well. And then your interest, I mean top voices or say companies or groups or newsletters that you like, then schools, in that case you can add all those things. So when you click on show all, then it will show the list of all the schools, list of all the newsletters and all the groups that you have joined, companies, it will show everything over here. So like this, I can see all the things. So this is all about the home page that we have over here. Now I can click on the next menu item, that is my network. So once I click on my network, I will get to know that how many connections I have. So to how many people I am connected to. So I can see all the people who are connected. Now the best thing over here is that you exactly get to know who that person is, and when did I connect with that person. So if I want to see that person's profile, I can exactly get to know. Now, these are the things that you don't get into any other network like Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. You don't get to know all these things. Now, since this is a professional network, you exactly get to know that, okay, what this person is into, what is the role or what is the post, where she is working or where he or she is working, that you get to see everything over here. So I mean, if something is related, I mean, yes, you can connect with them, and you can also message them, and I mean, you can collaborate or whatever. I mean, that is something that people are looking at. So, I mean, maybe collaboration or maybe trainings, or for any requirements, you can connect with them or they can connect with you. So sometimes they might send you requests, sometimes you might send them requests. So that is how you build your connections over here. So basically, how do you build connection? I mean, you can search over here whatever you are trying to search over here. Say in case if I'm searching for say digital marketing institutes. So if I search for digital marketing institutes over here, then I might get some results. So once I get some results, then maybe I might have some options to choose. So whether I'm looking for people into digital marketing institutes or posts or companies or jobs or groups. So in that case, I can select companies over here. So now over here, you can see digital marketing institute over here. Then I can follow them. I can click on this digital marketing skills institute over here. So now you can see there are so many digital marketing institutes over here with whom I can directly connect. So now I can go to their page, I can see if that is relevant to me, and then I can even send a message to them. See over here, there is an option to send a message. So now I can send them a message, I can send them my profile, and then whenever they have trainings, they will connect with me. So this is how I can connect with all the people in that particular company. So this is how you can get business from these all search results. So yes, I mean, this is one of the best thing that you can do with your networks over here, and you can connect with people over here. So this is all the connections. Then followings and followers. So how many people I am following and how many followers, who are the followers who are following me, that you can see. So these are the people to whom I am following, and followers, if I talk about, then who are the followers. So these are the people working in different organizations are following me. So you can see all these people over here. So yeah, I mean, this is where you get to know how big or how strong your network is, and with what kind of people you are connected. That is one of the best thing that you get to know over here in your network. So my network is really very good thing. Then over here you also get to know the groups. So how many groups you have joined. So I have joined 63 groups, which are all related to, I mean, for different requirements. Over here you can see these are your groups over here. So idea citizens over here, then digital marketing, social media, search, AI marketing, mobile, and more. So you can see the number of members over here. You can see this over here, instance 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 21 lakh members in just one group. See, this is one of the best thing of LinkedIn, wherein you don't have to search for many groups. say in Facebook, you have to search for many groups, because over there you might find groups which are of 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000. But over here, one group is of 21 lakhs. So, I mean, that's a very big group. So, I mean, you don't require many groups to join. You just need to see quality groups where you have many members like this. So, I mean, if even if you're posting some content over here, and you just consider that only 1% of the people are seeing your content, then you can just imagine how many people are viewing your content. So that is one of the best things. See over here, artificial intelligence again, 23 lakhs. Over here again 23 lakhs. Over here you can see 28 lakhs. Over here you can see 26,000. Over here 85,000. Again over here 11 lakhs. So like this you can connect with various groups, and then you can see how it works. You can do a lot of promotions in these groups. You can promote, you can get jobs, you can hire people. So I mean there are lots of things that you can do with these groups over here. And of course, when we talk about groups, you can also create sorry. Yeah, sorry. So, I mean, you can also create your own group. So, I mean, over here, when I click on groups, I mean, you will see the groups. And if you want to create a group, you can also create a group. So, yes, this is one of the thing that you can do. These are all your groups. In case if you have requested for any groups, means so I mean not all groups will directly approve us, but they might ask few questions, and then they will approve our request to join that group, because as we know that this is a professional network, so they do not want anyone and everyone to join their groups. So for that reason you need to put up a request to join those groups. However, you can click on the join button. If some of the groups are allowing to auto join, then you will be part of it immediately, or sometimes you might be asked with some of the questions, after which a request will be sent to the admin, and then they would approve your request. So that is what we have in the group. So if you want, you can also create your own groups, because this is a very huge say pool of people where you can connect with like-minded people, or maybe say uh, very good, I mean do lead generations for your business. Then over here events, you can see the events. So in LinkedIn also you can add events. So in case if you are hosting any event online or offline, you can show the events over here. So you can see these are the past events that I had set up. So I mean yes, the last the next over here you can see one event is on 8th of April 2025 at 8:30 p.m. And the last one was in the month of February, 5th of February. No, I mean that was in 2023 over here, August. So yeah, I mean you will see, because say I do a lot of events on Facebook and Instagram, but on LinkedIn I do very few. So I mean yeah, you can do it on LinkedIn as well. So you can see there are other events which are recommended for us. So depending on our profile, we might get some recommendations over here. So if you are interested in all any of these events, you can view the event and you can join that event, you can attend that event. So like this you will get to see a lot of events in this network option. So after that, pages. So when we talk about pages over here, so 123 pages. So I mean those are the pages which I have liked or I am connected with. So these are all the company pages to whom I am following. So I am connected with all these pages over here. You can see these pages. So yes, like this we get to see where we are connected exactly. So I'm connected to 123 pages, that is companies company pages over here. So I'm following those companies. So that is the pages that we are talking about. After that, the next thing over here is newsletters. So if I have subscribed to any newsletters, then I can get to see what all newsletters I have subscribed to. So I can click on newsletters. I can see all the newsletters. If I want to unsubscribe, then I can also leave those newsletters at any point of time. So you can see over here, these are the 31 newsletters which I have joined. So I mean, you need to be updated in your field. So yes, you need to join those kind of newsletters which are related to you. So then you can be, or you can always stay updated. And since this is a professional network, you get advice from the top corporates and professionals over here. So this has to be a really very good thing. And if you are connected with lots of subscribers, you can create your own newsletter over here and send it to people. So this is newsletters. You can create your own newsletters. So these are the things that we have in my network. And then the next thing is jobs. So when we are searching for a job, you can see this. So you can get to see what are the jobs that are available. So in my case, you can see freelance digital marketing trainer, so that is required at this particular company, Bright Future. Then IID digital marketing trainer, full time marketing branding over here. So like this, I can get to see all the companies which are related to me who requires a digital marketing trainer. So I can click on any of these and I can apply over here. So you can see this over here. I can just let us just click on one of them and say over here there is an option. So but over here there is an option to apply. If it is easy apply, then I would click and apply, because over there this could be on a third party website where I need to fill up all the details. But when it is easy apply, then my profile, my CV is already uploaded on say LinkedIn. So I don't need to say type everything. Everything is with just few button clicks. That's it. See over here, you can see easy apply. So over here, this is related to trainer domain and soft skills. So that is not our requirement. Digital marketing trainer over here. So yes, this is digital marketing trainer, Pune, Maharashtra. So on site full time, I can just click on this. So before that, you can just look at what it is. So we are into training and placement services for graphic design, UI, UX design, digital marketing. We are in training industry for 10 plus years. You can visit our website. Okay, so that is all. And what is the job description? Providing in-class training on digital marketing concepts, helping students, and okay. So I mean, this is all normal things that all the institutes require, and should have good knowledge on SEO, SEM, Google Ads, social media marketing, email, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube marketing, Google Analytics, and mobile marketing. So okay, that's fine. So these are the things that they require. So now in that case, if I want to apply over here, what will I do? I'll just click on easy apply. So my email address is populated automatically, my country code is populated, my mobile number is populated, then I click on next. So in case if I have uploaded my CV over here, so in my case I have added a trainer's profile. So I click on this trainer's profile, and then I can just click on next, and it will be sent. So a resume is required. So it is asking for a resume, but I mean I've already selected this. So this, I click on this, I'll click on CV. So how many years of experience you have using Google Ads, how many years of work experience, Google Analytics, how many years of experience you have using Facebook. So I mean you can add all those things over here. Job is work from office. So Swargate location is comfortable for daily communicate. Okay, so yes. So after that, you can click on review and say it's done. So my profile is attached over here, and then I can click on submit application. So that's done. So this is how it works. So I mean we can apply for all the jobs that we require directly from here. You can set alerts also over here, that what type of jobs do you require. So you can set preferences also over here. So you have preferences open to work on job alerts. So you can set up all the job alerts over here. You can add your CVs, resumes over here. Then AI powered resumes. So I mean that is private to you. Your verifications and all those things. So that all needs to be done. then my job, so which are the saved jobs which I might be yet to apply or something like that. So this is one of the thing. So just let me click over here. This is for Bangalore. Okay, so this is 82 applicants are already there. Okay, so that's fine. So that's on-site full-time social media marketing. Okay, digital marketing, e-commerce, email marketing. So I mean that's all no, okay. So advertising, ad serving, web analytics. So that all is fine. So now in that case, I can just click on easy apply, save. Okay, so then I can click on the answers were successfully saved, view in progress application. So I can just click on continue. So if you return to this application, any uploaded files will not be saved. Okay, so I'll just click on discard. So I can just okay, so I can just click on this. So now I can apply. Let's see. I select this one and then click on next. You have with WordPress. So I say 18 years. How many works you have with SEO? 15. Google Ads 14, your current salary, monthly, yearly. So that all things that we need to add over here. So that can be added. So let's say current notice period, months, days. Okay, 15. Okay, only numbers is required. So review. Okay, that's done. And then submit application. So it's done. So like this, you can add all those things. So this is how we apply for a job. But in case if you are a company and if you want to hire someone, then there is an option to post a free job. So in that case, you can just click on post a free job, and you can post whatever is the vacancy in your company. So this is one of the best thing that you can do. Say like over here, you can add a job title, write with AI or write on your own. So like this, you can add and you can start posting a job, and you can provide all the details, and then you can start collecting the CVs on LinkedIn and also in email. So this is what we can do. So I've already tried this in past. So yes, it works great. I mean, you within a few minutes you start getting CVs and applications online when you post it over here. So that is what you can do. See, you can see manage job post. So in case if you have posted many jobs, then you can manage them all over here. So let's see if I can see my past jobs. Okay, so it is asking me okay to log in over here. So this is basically LinkedIn talent solution. So where you can hire a talent. So let's see if I can find something over here. Mm, okay, it's still loading. Yes. So now you can see the jobs which I had posted, which are now closed. So I had posted a job for Android developer. You can see I had received 42 applications over here. Then freelance assistant. So for that also 18 applications. Freelance assistant again 32 applications. Assistant, oh, that is closed, 0 applications over here. Android developer 27 applications. Social media executive 10 applications over here. Then Android developer again 11 applications over here. So like this you can get to see that, I mean, you definitely get results over here. So this is one of the best thing wherein you can post a job over here, my jobs. So the jobs which I have applied for, and my learning. So learning is basically wherein you can learn a lot of things. There are various courses on say digital marketing and various technologies. I mean, you can learn whatever you want over here in LinkedIn learning. So you can also enroll into any courses. I mean, there are free courses, there are paid courses. You can enroll in any of the courses and you can start learning as well. So here you can see this is digital marketing trends course, 2 hours 10 minutes, and you can get to see the author, when was it released, and how many viewers are there. So like this you can get to see everything. And then saved post and articles. So in case if you have saved anything, then you can get to see over here. So this is the saved post. So in case if you like some post and you want to save them, then you can also save the post. So that is what all things that you can see in the job section. After that, you have messaging options. So I mean that's normal when you communicate with people over here. Then you can just talk to them over here. Say like in case over here, if I just say, so I can just communicate over here. So this is what, I mean, in between there would be some sponsored post also. So I mean these are not direct communication, these are all sponsored. You can see this sponsored over here. So sponsored means they are doing some ads over here and sending it to people in their inbox. So that also can be done. So that is when we do LinkedIn ads over there, we can get to see, we can do all these things. So this is the place where we can connect with all the connections, and we can reply back, or we can ask, or we can connect, or they can connect, and then we can communicate. So that is all messaging. Then you get to see this is notifications. For all the notifications over here, see how many people see over here, this person and 13 others viewed your profile. And then over here, digital marketing specialist, 13 opportunities in Borivali. So again, this is one person over here liked my comment over here. So then again, course instructor, one opportunity in India. So like this you get to see all the notifications over here which you receive. So I mean, if you have installed a mobile app of LinkedIn in your mobile device, then it's good. You can always stay connected with your people, your connection. So that is, you will never miss any notifications. And that is the main menu over here. And then this is something about myself. This is me. So I mean, I can verify my profile. So nowadays they have started to verify the profile, wherein you need to take some steps to get verification, and then there would be a badge against your name that this is a verified profile. So and you need to be a premium member for that. So instead of blue color, your content will be in some oranges yellow color, that would be there. And if you want to see your profile, you can view your profile, and then there is some settings and privacy. So I mean these are all normal things related to your account that every website like Facebook, Instagram, everybody has all these things wherein you can view your profile, and some settings about the internal things, all the sections that you can add, edit, delete, and all those things. And then you can manage, that is post and activity. So whatever post we had added, if I want to manage them, I want to add new posts, then I can do everything over here. And then finally I can manage my company pages. So now till now we were talking about a individual profile. So individual profile, we have added all the things. So we need to add all the requested things which are there, because if we add all those things, then it will bring trust amongst the visitors who are viewing our profile. Maybe it's a company or an individual. So if we have provided all the details, then people will trust us. But if we ourselves don't care to fill up all the details, then how can we expect others to trust us? Even in case we are genuine, in that case also people will not trust us. So for that reason, it is always suggested, whether it is any social media network, whether it is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube, whatever it is, we need to fill up all the requested details in the profile section. We should not miss out any of the thing. For us, we might think that okay, this is okay. If I don't feel, it's not important to me, but it might be important to others. So in that case, we should always fill up all the details. So that is one of the thing. Now, coming to the company pages. So now how we had pages in Facebook, over here also we have company pages, wherein I can create a company page for my company. So let us go to the company page over here. So this is the company page, so where we can get to see everything about the content that we are adding. So this is okay, so this is the dashboard. Basically it takes me directly to the dashboard over here in my case. But if I want to see the page, then in that case I need to click on the say if I want to view the post page, I can click on the post page. But actually seeing how does it look to a member, I can just click on this. Now since I am logged in, say I myself cannot see this, but yes, as a member I can see this page. That how does it look to visitors who see my page? So it will look like this. Again over here there is a small banner and a logo that we can add, then the company page that we can add, the company name, then some tagline that we can add, and what are the services that we are doing into, how many followers are there, how many employees are there, that all things we can add. And then again the overview over here, so what are the things that we are doing that can be added over here. Then comes about us content. So about us content is basically we provide all the information about the company. So over here it is nothing about myself. Over here we will be writing everything about the company, because this is a company page, so I don't need to write about myself, I need to write about the company. So this is all everything. So I can add a website, phone number, industry, company size, associated member, then headquarters, founded, specialties, so that all things that we can add. Then location we can add over here. And then of course there is a map as well that we can add. So this all things we can add in about us. And then we can see the post. So post, all the posts that we have added, so you can see this post over here. So this was added 9 hours ago. So like this we can keep on adding some post over here. So all the posts that we have added, so this was 5 hours back, this was 9 hours back, this was one day back. Like this we can see we need to be active over here, especially when it comes to company pages. We need to keep on adding the content every day. Of course it might sound that okay, we are quite busy, we don't have time for all these things, but then in that case there are options wherein you can automate the content from other website to your LinkedIn pages. So that's what I am doing. I'm manually not posting any content over here. This is all automation done from a third party website which is posting on my behalf on over here. So I can schedule the post for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months over there from that website, and automatically it will post three content daily. So it will add three posts on my page every day. So it can be like you can add a post in your pages, or else in your profile also you can add. If you select a profile, then it will post it on your profile. If you select a page, then it will add it in your page. So over here I have selected a page, so in on that page it keeps on adding automatically, I don't need to be present over here. You can see it is keep on adding all the page. So I mean nobody will get to know that okay, this is not done automatically, it's say manually. People will get to know that okay, yes, this person is adding content on a daily basis. So I mean whether people take any action or they don't take action, that is the secondary thing. But the most important thing is that we should not keep it inactive. So we should not be inactive on our page. When it comes to a page, we should not be inactive, because company page has to have something or the other posted every single day. So yes, I mean you can post anything over here, so people will get to know that okay, yes, you have kept posted, keep posting over here every single day. So that is all the posts that we can see over here. You can see this post. So yeah, I mean we can keep on seeing the post over here. So that is all the post. And then jobs over here, in case if I now, since this is a company, so over here when it comes to jobs, it's basically hiring. So if I am hiring over here, then I can post a free job. Over here I cannot post the job for the job that I am looking for. No, now I am a company, so a company always recruits. So company has a job to offer. So for that reason, on a company page. When it's a job, it means that you are hiring. In case if you are hiring, then you can post a free job over here. So that is a job over here, and how many people are working in that company, that you can see over here. So in my case, yes, I'm the only person, so that is what I can add. So where they live, so I can add that, okay, one person India, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, Mumbai metropolitan region, and where they studied and all those things, you can get to see over here. So yeah, I mean, you can just see everything. What did they do, and say other things, say over here, what they are skilled at. So then in that case, you can get to see all the skills that we have added over here in our profile. So that can be seen over here. So these are the skills over here. So and then this is what did they study, and then you can get to see uh, how are you connected. So I mean, if you want to add that, then you can add that. Now since it's about myself, so how will I say that, how am I connected to myself? So I mean, that is a irrelevant question to me. So for that reason, I did not add that, but yes, the rest of the things needs to be added. So I mean, company page is very simple. When it comes to an individual profile, it's you might think that it's complicated, but yes, because you have more things to add in your individual profiles. You are there, you have services, you have post, you have articles to add, you have featured articles to add. I mean, there are lots of things that you can add over there. You have newsletters and all those things, but over here you can see it's very simple. When it comes to a company page, it's more about people. So because over here, when it is a company, say people are connected in the company and people post on the page, company page, all the updates, their lifestyle, their work culture, and everything, the life at their company and all those things. They keep on sharing everything on day-to-day basis. So yes, it's more about a people on a company page. So if you visit any company, I mean, you would see that a company would be posting all the latest updates and everything from the company side, and employees will also be sharing content on the company profile. So yes, that can be done over here. So it's very simple when it comes to a company page. But yes, when we talk about a company page, yes, we need to have a company page again, like Facebook pages. We need to have LinkedIn pages also to do LinkedIn ads. So like say in Facebook, if we want to do Facebook Instagram ads, then I need to have a Facebook page. Without that, I cannot do. The same way, if I want to do LinkedIn ads, which we will be doing from the next session, over here you need to have a company page, because it will ask you that where would you like to run your ad. So in that case, I can select my this company page over here. So that is one of the thing that I need to do. So yes, company page is necessary over here. And yes, I can add over here multiple company pages. So that is one of the thing that I can do. Now there is one more speciality about a page. So now when we talk about a company page, so now I'll just click as admin over here. Apart from this company page, we have showcase pages. So what do you mean by showcase pages? Say like for example, I will give you a very relevant example. Say for example, we talk about a company called Microsoft. Now Microsoft has so many technologies, so many software, so many products. In short, I can say yes, so many products they have. Say like for example, they have Windows operating system, then they have Microsoft Office, then they have Azure, and like that, says cloud storage and lots of products that they have. Now they they can have one company page, and they can have individual showcase pages for each and every product. Now you can have a maximum of 15 showcase pages. But when we talk about Microsoft, I mean, they have hundreds of showcase pages. How is that possible? Because they are corporates. Once you reach the limit, I mean, they have a corporate account, so for that reason, the limit of those accounts is more. They can also apply for higher limits. Now, even when you reach 15 products, 15 pages of showcase pages from your page, at that time you can also request for more showcase pages, and they might approve it. So like that, you have the option. So this is us. From the page, you have a create button. You click on this create button, and you can see what are the things that you can create. So you can create a post. I mean, that's normal. Every page has a option to create a post. You can create an event. So over here you can host an event to grow your page's community. You can post a free job. You can publish an article. You can create a newsletter, and you can create a showcase page. See over here, you can create a showcase page from the whole menu, and all the website links that you see on the website. You will never find any option to create a showcase page except this particular place from your page. If you just have a LinkedIn profile, you will not find the option to create a showcase page. That is only from a page, company page, you will get to see the option to create a showcase page. So you can add more details about your organization, so wherein you can add multiple products. So associated group organization page, then the name of your organization, then LinkedIn over here, this is for that product. See over here, linkedin.com/showcase, and then your particular product name. So in my case, I can write digital marketing, say digital marketing courses, then social media marketing courses or something like that. I can provide. I can use that kind of topics over here that will become my showcase pages. Then the website, so I can provide a website URL, then industry. So in my case, I can say e-learning industry or training industry, like this. I can provide that. I can provide a logo, because if each and every product is having a different logo, then yes, you need to upload a logo also. If you have a common logo, then you can upload that logo. Then you can add some tags over here, and then you can verify. You can just accept the terms and conditions, and then you can create a showcase page over here. So this is how we create a showcase page. This is the place from where you can create a showcase page. So over here you can see, if you want to create a LinkedIn page, so once you go back, you have the option that is company. You can select create a company page, whether it's a small, medium, or large business, or else you want to create a showcase page wherein sub pages associated with an existing page. So even if you are having 10 showcase pages, they all are connected to your company page. Now, when we are talking about showcase pages, your employees cannot be connected to your showcase page. Only company pages has the option of people, where they can post anything and everything on a company page, sharing their experiences day to day, whatever updates or whatever they want to share it with the world, they can share it in a company page. But showcase page is handled only by the company. Over there you cannot have employees into it. People cannot post anything. So that is a showcase page. And in case if you are an educational institution, schools or university, then yes, you can create this over here. So that can be one of the good thing. So this is what you can do. So these are the three options that you have at the moment for creating a LinkedIn page. And then over here it will look something like this. So this is what you can do. So you can select any of these things. So yes, coming back to it, so that was from the page. So that is the company pages. So here you can see I have one, two, three, and four. So I have four pages over here, and one job posting account. So I mean, job posting account is the account wherein you can post jobs. If you are posting jobs frequently, then in that case you will have a separate job posting account wherein you can keep on posting jobs or vacancies in your company. So that menu will be available directly from your profile over here. that you can see job posting account. So you will get to see all the jobs over here, which are closed or open, whatever it is. And if you want to create post a new job, you can just click on this and you can start posting and chat with support in case if you need any support. Then you can see they are online now, you can directly connect with them and you can start chatting. So you have access to the help center, so whether it's a chat or say ready-made FAQs, that all things are there. So yes, like this you have access to help center also, so that can all be done over here. Now, then the next thing is for the business. See, one is for the individual profile and one is for the businesses. Now, over here, when we talk about businesses, what are the things? Let's see. See, over here, explore more for business. First one is hire on LinkedIn. So that is posting jobs. You can hire employees for your company. You can hire talent. So that is basically talent acquisition for your company. So that is you can post jobs over here. You can sell with LinkedIn. So you can see unlock the sales opportunity. You can click on sell with LinkedIn and then you come to business.linkedin.com. So now, like say in Facebook, we had business.facebook.com. Over here, we have business.linkedin.com. Over here, you have a special software that is an online application called as Sales Navigator. So, I mean, of course, this is very costly, and but I mean, if you want, yes, you can get a demo. I mean, the first month is free, and after that, you pay 5,999 for this, and you can generate unlimited leads for your company. See, I mean, we can do lead generation ads also, but over there we do not know that whether it is going to perform or not. We even do not know that how many leads we are going to get. And over there we have to set a duration that okay, that ad might run for a week or 15 days or a month. But over here, when we are talking about Sales Navigator, you just pay one one amount for the whole month, and then you can generate any number of leads for any industry. You can keep on adding multiple campaigns over here, and you don't need to pay for them because you have paid once, that is 5,999. So basically, you have purchased Sales Navigator, and yes, you can do all these things. So there also you will be adding various check boxes and various criterias you will be adding, like how we run ads. Oh, here also you need to add all the criteria, like what is the type of campaign that you want to run, who is your target audience, their age, demographics, everything that you need to add. What are the companies that you want to connect? So, or say maybe say the hierarchy or the post at which they are working, like that. You can add a lot of things, their interests, behaviors, and all those things. You can add whatever things that we were adding in advertising ads, that ads campaigns. So the same thing you can add in Sales Navigator, and then you click on it and then you can see the magic begins. So it can run for the whole month and you keep on getting leads. So now that is one of the best things. So yes, 5,999, that is one thing that we need to add over here. So I mean, if you feel that yes, you need to generate a lot of sales, a lot of leads for a company, then yes, you can purchase this Sales Navigator and it can do wonders, and you will never have to run any ads in future because Sales Navigator will do all the work for you. It will give you unlimited leads. Over here, you don't have any fixed amount of lead that you are paying 5,999. You will get only this many leads. If you pay 10,000, you will get this many leads. No, it's not like that. You will get unlimited leads because you have paid for the whole month. So yes, Sales Navigator is one of the best thing. But unfortunately, since it is paid, I did not purchase this. I have already utilized it for the first month, and now if I want to use it, I need to pay 5,999. So I mean, at this moment I am not using it, so that's okay for me at the moment. Now the next thing is post a job for free. So over here you can post the jobs over here, hire on LinkedIn. So you can attract and recruit talent, and over here you can get qualified applications quickly. So I mean both are one and the same thing, wherein you can hire on LinkedIn and you can post a job for free. So that is both of them related to qualified talent acquisition for your company. Then advertise on LinkedIn. So I mean you can grow your business with this LinkedIn ad. So that we will be doing from the next session, and then get started with premium. So this is something which has come up recently in past say 2 3 years. I mean LinkedIn premium is coming up in a very big way, wherein you can become premium, and you get lots of benefits when you become premium. So yes, I mean you can send emails and you can get to see how many people viewed your profile. Right now you can see only 4 to 5, but with this premium you can see and you can connect with lots of people, you can post more content and all those things. So yes, I mean premium has its own benefits which you can explore, and if you feel yes you can get with premium, so that's good. Then learn with LinkedIn. So like I said that there are so many courses available. So if we just click on LinkedIn, learn with LinkedIn. So I mean there are so many courses over here, and you can see, learn whatever you want. See, this is 1 billion carriers, 500 million skills added to LinkedIn profiles each year, and 5 million profile updates per minute. So you can just see this. So LinkedIn Learning helps you utilize this data to say over here offer personalized guidance, clear guidance based on employee goals, skills, and your company priorities and trending career paths. So here there are so many options. Develop, so it's basically guide, develop, and connect. So ready to get started. You can contact sales, and you or else you can learn more over here. So like this, you have lots of things. And if you click on courses, then there are different categories under which the courses are there. Say like business, technology, creative, certification programs, and then resources also. Say that is AI upskilling, customer stories, learning resources. I mean, there are lots of things over here. I mean, we don't go into all these details because this is not something that we use on a daily basis. This is just in a rare case that we go. I mean, yes, if we want to do courses, then yes, we go over here. I mean, there are lots of learning resources over here where we can just see that what are the different courses available. You can just see over here. See, this is 2025 Workplace Learning Report, then measuring the ROI of learning, then agile approaches to upskilling, then fostering internal mobility. So like this, there are lots of things. See, upskilling and reskilling, career development, internal mobility, L&D success metrics, learners engagement, trends and insights. So I mean, there are lots of things that you can click, and you can read on all these things, all these things. So I mean, yeah, there is lots of opportunities over here. So yes, there are various courses also over here. You can compare the plans also, so you can just click on what are the learning plans available. So for individuals, one learning account, so start free month. So you can start with a free month, and there are 22,000 courses available from industry experts. So yes, you can say start any of the courses that you're looking for. Then this is for businesses wherein, say, a company might have more than 20 people learning at a time. So 20 learning accounts, and where they can access all the courses, and they can have 20 dashboards over here. So that means 20 people, 20 logins will be provided. And then over here, this is say for organizations where 21 or more learning accounts. So then it's best for say learners who want to access our comprehensive content and wants to customize your team's learner experience and want to drive learning and career outcomes by understanding skills insights. So yeah, I mean for different requirements for us, I would say that okay, individual account is good, wherein you already have access to 22,000 courses, and yes, you can take up any of the courses, and then you can see start free month, and then you can go to the paid in case if you want. But in 1 month you can try and complete the course, and you can enroll in into any courses that are available. So yeah, I mean like this, there are lots of options. See, this is for the career over here, learning for teams. So what is the price over here? Say the price is 499. So I mean the price is not that high. In case say, I mean, even if you want to continue with the paid, then also it's okay. I mean, you are just paying 499 per month. So after your free month, pay as little as 499 per month. That is save 50% when billed annually. Cancel anytime, and we remind you 7 days before your trial ends. So in case if you do not want to say renew, then you can cancel after, say, I mean, after 1 month free trial. You don't want to go for the paid option, then in that case, yes, you can cancel the subscription before 7 days. You will get notification, and then you can cancel your subscription, and I mean, you will not be billed. So that's one of the best thing. And if you want to continue, if you feel that yes, there is a good, very good value, then yes, you can go with 499. I mean, first month you have learned, second month also maybe you want to do 2 3 courses, you can. 499 is a very good amount wherein you can learn a lot of things over here. And yes, that's it. And then you can see what are the different other features that you get along with that. See over here, you can develop skills with LinkedIn. And what are the other career features that you get? I mean, 22,000 plus LinkedIn learning courses, 5 emails per month, and company insights, and you can get other features also, say AI draft messages. So basically, you are say you will become a premium member over here, and you get all those facilities of what a verified premium member gets. So I mean that all things that you get over here. So you can see full access to interview preparation tools, open profile, AI profile writing assistant, because this is something which you are getting in the premium, and not currently. Even I do not have access to this because I'm not a premium member. So once I enroll into this 499 plan, then yes, I will get all these options available. So yeah, I mean, you can see over here in say right now I can just see how many 4 to 5 people, which are the last 4 5 people who viewed my profile. But over here you can see who viewed your profile from last 365 days. I mean, you can get to know exactly who is the person, from which company, what post, what is that person's name. You can get to see each and every detail of that person from last 365 days. So that's the best thing that you can see over here. So yes, that's all about the LinkedIn learning. So in case if you feel anytime you want to join LinkedIn learning, you can feel free, you can join this. And of course the pricing is also not that high. It's just 499 a month. So yes, I mean that is good. So after that, what we have is one second, yes. So this is ads that we are going to see, then get premium. So yes, that's premium that we have seen. Learn with LinkedIn we have seen, and then this is admin center. So manage billing and accounts detail. So that is basically if you are paying, then in that case you can just go to the admin center and you can manage your accounts and billing. So in case if you have purchased any premium, and what are the bills, and you can download the invoices and all those things that you can see over here. So yeah, I mean, you can just click over here. And yes, welcome to LinkedIn admin. Over here, continue. And then over here, source, quality, confidence, efficient, target your jobs to the right, build awareness. Okay, so I mean these are all the things, say, I mean, you can just check out over here. Products, you have all access to all these things. So I mean, whatever products you have taken, it will show all the products that you have taken over here, and it will show you your billing and everything. So I mean, unfortunately, I haven't taken any premium, or I haven't taken any paid thing over here. So in my case, it does not show any billing section over here. So that's fine over here. After that, what we have is create a company page. So in case if you want to create a company page, you can create it from here as well. And say on the left hand side, you can find new clients. So that is your apps over here. Find new clients, that is sales navigator that we were talking about. Then this is the group. So in case if you want to search for any groups, you want to join any groups, you can just click on the groups and you will get to see that. Manage billing. So again, we just now went to the billing part, so where you can manage the billing. So let me just see again. So that was billing. Then you want to post a job, that can be done. Then this is one more thing, this is talent insights over here. This talent insight is basically if you want to hire a person for a project, say like you want to create a website, you want to develop a website, and you can hire a person over here. So that is one of the best things. There is a place over here, there is a marketplace over here in LinkedIn, wherein you can say hire a person for anything, for programming or say creating a website or app development or any other custom application, ERPs, micro ERPs. I mean, whatever content writing, I mean, whatever you can think of, you can search for the talent over here. You can choose a talent insights, and then you can hire people. So this is a marketplace. So it's like say the freelancer website where you can hire freelancers to do your work. But the best thing over here is say you know that person, because there is a complete profile on LinkedIn. You get to see that person profile, and you can see their endorsement, and from how long they are working, from which country they are, what experience they have, whether do you have any common connections or not. You get to see all those things over here, so you can trust the person who is on LinkedIn rather than on any other third party websites, because over there you will only see what that person has added, but over here you will see mutual connections and endorsement also, which will add an extra layer of trust when it comes to LinkedIn. So yes, this is one of the best thing wherein you can hire any person for any project that we are talking about. So yes, this is say you can see I had added over here 17,944 total amount was spent over here, and that was for the ads and the various things that I had done. So this is the billing center which I was talking about over here, and yes, it's done. So you can manage anytime over here. So it says over to you. This was last from March 27th. Oh my God, this is latest one. Something went wrong. Overview. Okay, retail price 15,207, GST 2007 total. This is for what I don't know. Invoice number is this. View all. Okay, there is only one invoice, sponsored updates. Okay, there is nothing over here. Payment method. So okay, so that's done. Missing any payment method. So I mean, you can add a payment method over here, and you can get to see everything. So that's fine over here. I think this card is also expired long time back. So, but this is today's day. This is a recent date, March 27th. Total amount 17,944, and its status is overdue. I am not sure. Okay, so fine, because I did not do any paid thing on LinkedIn long time back. So okay, that's fine. So that I'll figure out later on. So that's the uh, services marketplace that we were talking about. So services is where you can provide service and get services like talent insights. So this is all everything related to sales. I mean, these are all paid products. In case if you want to go, you can go and check it out. And then there is LinkedIn Learning. So we already went to the LinkedIn Learning, where you can enroll for all 22,000 courses are available with a price tag of 499 per month. So I mean, this is all for the businesses that can be done. So that's fine over here. And then finally the menu is related to advertise. So this is the LinkedIn ads which we will be doing in the next session. So where we will be going to LinkedIn campaign manager, and we will be creating various campaigns. So yes, we have over here we can do the advertisement. So yes, we will see this in the next session over here. What are the different types of ads that we can create? So over here we you can just see, I'll just show you an overview of what are the different types of ads that we have. You can see brand awareness, website visits, engagement, video views, lead generation. This is disabled, this option is not available. then website conversions and job applicants. So like this all ads are there. So most of the ads are similar to Google ads and Facebook ads. Over there also we had brand awareness, we had website visits, we had engagement, we had video views, lead generation was there, website conversions. Over there we had sales, and this is website conversions, so wherein you can capture leads or drive actions on your website. And then job applicants, this is something new over here. So this is just in case if you are posting a job, so you can drive more applications to your job. So that is just in case if you want to run ads related to job applications. So these are the different types of job campaigns that we can run through the uh, this LinkedIn ads. So that's fine. So we'll be doing that in the next session. So that's all for today. So if you have any questions, you can unmute your microphone and you can ask any questions that you have.